You searched how to buy shares of IDEX Corp, so this is a concise step-by-step walkthrough. IDEX Corp, ticker IEX, trades on NASDAQ and makes engineered fluidics and metering solutions for industrial markets. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the flow. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds to your account before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IEX to find the stock. Confirm the result shows IDEX Corp and select the matching NASDAQ listing. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to ensure it matches IDEX Corp. Make sure the listing is a NASDAQ IEX stock before proceeding. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to spend, then review and confirm the order details carefully. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.